Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. I am Bella, your friendly English companion. I love coffee, I love stories, and most of all, I love helping you speak English with confidence. So grab something warm, sit back, and let's begin.
And hey everyone, I'm John, the guy who talks too much, drinks too much coffee, and absolutely loves making English easy for you. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. And if you're coming back, thank you. You make this worth it. Now, let's get into today's story.
Okay, John, before we start today's lesson, can I tell a story?
Of course, I love your stories, Bella. Go ahead.
So, last week, my cousin visited me from a small town. Her name is Mia. She is 22 years old. She studies English at university, but she has never in her life ordered coffee at a big coffee shop.
Oh, wow. Never?
Never. She always makes tea at home. Simple. Easy, no problem. But she always wanted to go to Starbucks. She always saw it in movies, she always saw it on social media, and finally, she came to the city and she said, "Bella, take me to Starbucks."
Oh, this is getting exciting. What happened?
So, we walked in. The shop was beautiful. It smelled amazing, like coffee and cinnamon and warm things. And Mia, she looked at the menu and her eyes went so big, like this.
I know that feeling. The Starbucks menu is a lot.
It is so much. There were so many drinks. Hot drinks, cold drinks, blended drinks, small, medium, large. But wait, at Starbucks, they don't say small, medium, large. They say
Tall, Grande, Venti.
yes. And Mia looked at me and said, "Bella, what does Venti mean?" And I said, "It means large." And she said, "Then why don't they just say large?"
That is so relatable. I thought the same thing my first time.
Everyone thinks that. So we stood in the line and Mia was getting nervous, very nervous. She kept asking me, "What do I say? How do I say it? What if I make a mistake?" And I told her, "Mia, breathe. It's just coffee. The person at the counter is friendly. Just speak slowly. They will understand you."
That is such good advice, Bella, and I want our listeners to hear that too. If you are learning English, please remember, people are kind. People will wait for you. You don't have to be perfect. Just try.
Exactly. So the line moved and it was Mia's turn. And the barista, that's the person who makes your coffee, she smiled and said,
Let me be the barista. I'll play the barista.
"Perfect. Okay, so I'll be Mia, the nervous first-timer. Here we go. Slowly, listen carefully.
Hi there. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Take your time. No rush.
Thank you. I would like a coffee, please."
Of course. What kind of coffee would you like? We have lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos, cold brew, frappuccinos.
Oh, I like sweet coffee, not too bitter. Is there something sweet?
Absolutely. A lot of people love our vanilla latte. It's sweet, it's smooth, and it's very popular. Or if you want something cold, our caramel frappuccino is amazing.
Ooh, caramel. I love caramel. Can I have the caramel frappuccino?
Great choice. What size would you like? Tall, grande, or venti?
What is venti?
Venti is our largest size. Grande is medium, and tall is actually our small size.
Tall is small. That's funny. Okay, grande, please. Medium. I want the medium one.
Perfect. And can I get your name for the order?
My name? Oh, my name is Mia. M-I-A. Mia.
Beautiful name. That'll be $5.50. Will you be paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
Go ahead and tap your card here. Perfect. Your caramel frappuccino will be ready in just a few minutes. Thank you, Mia.
Thank you so much. And that was it. She did it. She ordered her first Starbucks.
That was so good. I was so proud of her. And I want to say, did you notice how simple the conversation was? It was not complicated. It was short sentences, polite words. That's all you need.
Yes. And now, John, let's go through the important words and phrases from that conversation very slowly so our listeners can really learn them.
Okay, first phrase. Are you ready, listeners? Write this down if you can. Phrase number 1. What can I get for you today?
This is what the barista says. It means, how can I help you? What do you want? It's a friendly question. Repeat after me. What can I get for you today?
Good. Now phrase number 2. This is what you say when you want to order. I would like a caramel frappuccino, please.
I would like. This is polite. This is correct. This is perfect English for ordering anything. Coffee, food, anything. Say it slowly with me. I would like a caramel frappuccino, please.
Beautiful. Now phrase number 3. This is very useful when you don't know what to choose. Can you recommend something sweet?
Can you recommend? This means, can you suggest? Can you help me choose? People love this question. It shows you are open. It shows you are friendly. Say it, can you recommend something sweet?
Excellent. Phrase number 4. When you don't understand something, say this. I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
This is so important. Don't be shy. If you don't understand, just ask. Say it slowly. I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
And phrase number 5. When everything is done, you say, thank you so much.
Simple, warm, beautiful. 2 words that make any conversation end nicely. Say it with a smile. Thank you so much.
Now, let's quickly go through the Starbucks sizes again, because this confuses everyone.
Okay, listen and repeat. First size.
Tall, this means small. Yes, tall means small at Starbucks. Strange, right?
Grande, this means medium. Grande is actually a Spanish and Italian word. It means big or large. But at Starbucks, it is the medium size.
And venti, this means large. Venti is an Italian word. It means 20 because the cup holds 20 ounces of drink.
So the sizes are tall, grande, venti. Small, medium, large.
Now you know, you will never be confused again.
So Mia waited, and a few minutes later, the barista called her name.
Mia, your caramel frappuccino's ready.
Oh, that's me. Thank you.
And she picked up that cup and she took one sip, and Bella, what was her face like?
John, her eyes closed. She smiled the biggest smile and she said, "This is the best thing I have ever tasted in my life."
That is so sweet.
And then she said, "I was so scared, but it was so easy. Why was I so scared?" And I told her, because we always think it will be harder than it is. But once you try, you realize it's okay.
That is honestly a life lesson, not just for coffee, for English too. We think, my English is not good enough, people will laugh at me, I will make mistakes. But then you try, and it's fine. People are kind. You learn, you grow.
Exactly, and that is exactly why we make these videos, to help you practice, to help you feel ready, so that when you walk into a coffee shop or a restaurant or an airport, you feel confident, you feel prepared.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. I will be the barista. You answer. Ready?
Pause the video if you need time to think. That's okay. Take your time.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Say, "I would like a latte, please."
Great. What size?
Say, "Grande, please."
Can I get your name?
Say your name. Say it clearly. Spell it if you need to.
Perfect. That'll be ready in a few minutes. Thank you.
Say, "Thank you so much."
Did you do it? I hope you did, because that's real practice. That's real English. Not grammar rules on a page, but actual conversation, real life, real confidence.
And every time you practice, even at home, even alone, you get better. Your brain gets used to the words, your mouth gets comfortable with the sounds. So keep practicing.
Okay, let's wrap up today's story. What did we learn?
Number 1, ordering coffee in English is simple. Short sentences, polite words, that's all.
Number 2, Starbucks sizes are tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large. Now you know.
Number 3, if you don't understand something, just say, "Can you say that again, please?" No shame, no problem.
And number 4, the most important one, just try. Like Mia. She was nervous, she was scared, but she tried, and it was beautiful.
And now she goes to Starbucks every single week. By herself, no help, full confidence.
That could be you. That will be you. If you keep watching, if you keep practicing.
Before we go, we have a small favor to ask. A very small one. Just one click. That's it.
If this video helped you even a little bit, please hit that subscribe button right now. It's free, it takes 1 second, and it means the world to us.
Every subscriber tells us, hey, keep going, keep making these videos. We are learning, we are here. And that gives us so much energy to keep creating for you.
Also, hit the like button if you enjoyed the story about Mia. She would be very happy to know people liked her Starbucks adventure.
And leave a comment below. We read every single one. Tell us, have you ever ordered coffee in English? Were you nervous? What happened? We want to know.
Or just say hello from your country. We love seeing where our listeners are from. It always makes our day.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, share this video with them. Be their Bella. Be their John. Help them feel confident.
Together, we can all get better, one coffee order at a time.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are amazing. You showed up, you tried, and that is everything.
We'll see you in the next video.